Hello everyone, Assalamu alaikum. My name is Ahmed and I am your new English teacher. So let's get started. Our lesson of today is about English alphabets. English alphabets. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. Here you can say Z or Z, the same thing. We have A, H, J, K, A, H, J, K. These four letters have the same pronunciation. B, C, D, E, G, P, T, V, Z. B, C, D, E, G, P, T, V, Z. Here you can say Z or Z. F, L, M, N, S, X. F, L, M, S, X. F, L, M, N, S, X. F, L, M, N, S, X. I, Y, I, Y, I, Y. Q, U, W, Q, U, W, Q, U, W. O, R, O, R, O, R. Let's start over from the beginning. A, H, J, K, B, C, D, E, G, P, T, V, Z. F, L, M, N, S, X. I, Y, Q, U, W, O, R. A for airplane, airplane. B for bee, B. C for cage, cage. D for dog, dog. E for elephant, elephant. F for flower, flower. G for grabs, grabs. H for house, house. I for ice cream, ice cream. J for jellyfish, jellyfish. K for kite, kite. L for lion, lion. M for moon, moon. N for nest, nest. O for orange, orange. P for panda, panda. Q for queen, queen. R for rainbow, rainbow. S for sun, sun. T for tree, tree. U for umbrella, umbrella. V for vase, vase. W for watermelon, watermelon. X for X-ray fish, X-ray fish. Y for yacht, yacht. Z for zipper, zipper.